sinabi ni Diego kanina, there's a thick layer of yung parang awkwardness between sa inyo nung first day nyo. So, paano nyo na-break yun? Especially yung first scene nyo yata, yung sinasabi ni Director.
We kind of didn't have a choice. parang yung first, the hardest was the first love scene, no? That was the hardest. Tapos, parang gusto kong umiyak. Sinabi ko kay Diego, I think I'm gonna cry. Tapos, sabi namin, you know what? Tapusin na lang natin in one take. Gawin natin, ibigay natin. Binigay namin, hindi talaga eh. So, nag-take 2 kami. So, yung take 2, binigay na talaga namin lahat para maging okay. And then, from there, every scene that we did, it just got a bit easier, a bit better. Pati yung body language namin, nagiging mas effortless na. So, kailangan lang talaga to face it head on. There's really nothing we can do to prepare, nothing at all. But to just go for it.
Yeah, imagine you're friends with someone for 10 years, right? And it's a platonic relationship. You're friends with, kasi talagang best friend ko si Quiz. Like every interview I have, I always say that Billy, he was one of my first friends in show business. Then Colleen worked with my mom sa Pasión de Amor. And they're very close also with my older brother. So parang talaga kami family, no, we are family friends, entire family. For a decade, over a decade probably. Yeah, I sleep over, all my troubles in showbiz, they know, all their problems, if they have any, I know. Then all of a sudden, we have this movie na I have to see her almost butt naked. So can you imagine yung feeling niya parang, this is kind of weird. Yeah, so it was awkward sa una talaga, but yun nga, after the first love scene, it was like, okay, I kind of understand that this is just work and this is just another day at the office, kumbaga. And you have to get it over with. You know, the more mistakes we make, the more we'll have to redo the scene. So, how much of my butt do you want to see more? So let's get it over with.